Hi, I'm Natalie from Hobby Base.
Hi, I'm Sophie from Mermaid Treasures.
And today's special YouTube video is an unboxing of the very new Gemini Go. So let's take a look. Cool, so let's have a look at the new Gemini Go by Crafter's Companion.
Okay.
So this is specifically about being a portable die cutting machine.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's take a look what we've got inside.
Okay. So very important user manual.
Lovely.
Then we've got all your basic tools that you're going to need to use. So we've got two clear cutting plates. You've got your magnetic shim, metal cutting plate, rubber embossing mat, and a plastic shim. And you can see this is the size. Very cute, very dingy. This is a 6 by 3 inches. So if you like doing or using smaller dies, then this is a great machine for you.
Definitely. Okay, so let's try and get her out. Here we go. Ta-da!
Okay, so in the side we've got power.
Cool.
And
extension.
Yep.
Nice.
And then
look how tiny cute it is.
She is very cute.
We're very excited. So cute and small. Wow. Let's just show that on the front as well. Look how small. And in comparison to the normal Gemini,
It's tiny.
Tiny. Okay, so if anybody hasn't used a electric die cutting machine, how easy is it?
It is super easy.
Okay.
It's just as easy as a manual one, but you're going to get the job done a lot quicker.
Yeah.
All you've got to do is heat it up, put your elements together in the relevant plates, feed it through the machine, and it will come out the other side perfectly cut. Super easy.
Really quick.
Can't go wrong.
Yeah, really, really quick. Can't go wrong with it.
Yeah.
And this is just great because of the size, the fact that it's portable, but also the fact that it's for smaller dies, makes it so much more accessible. You don't have to have the wind ones.
Yeah, or the really expensive, really big ones.
Yeah.
So if you just like working with the smaller dies, this is the one for you.
Absolutely. And there's a ton of accessories that go with this.
Loads of accessories.
So let's take a look at the accessories. Right then. First of all, portable bag.
Little bag. You can put all of your accessories all in one place.
I love it. And so the machine will fit in there as well.
Yep.
Put that in there. So that is how portable that is. So cute.
And then you can put all your accessories in
In
loads of pockets around the side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets.
Shove all our plates in there.
Yeah. So you can literally keep everything together. You haven't got to have masses of stuff everywhere. You haven't got a box sitting out. You can just have this lovely purple bag.
I love it. Okay, cool. What else have we got? Let's push that one over. So we've got a travel cable, battery boosting cable. We've got also more plates if you need them.
Yep, so obviously as you're using the plates, they do get quite worn and you might need to replace them. So we've got all the replacements here.
Awesome.
We've got a separate little storage bag to keep your plates in if you don't want to keep them in the bag.
Get them scratched up.
Yep.
And then some dies to go with it specifically.
Yep, so these are lovely. So we've got congratulations, we've got on yours, you could say that for birthdays, anniversary, we've got happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, thank you, and then we've got the alphabet in upper and lowercase, and these will all fit through this machine, so it's perfect for creating smaller cards and using these really cute little dies.
And also good for beginners.
Yes.
Yeah, love that. So guys, that was our unboxing video of the new Gemini Go. Let us know what you think. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up. If you buy the machine, do tell us what you think of it below. Ask any questions, we will answer back. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy, happy crafting, and if you subscribe to our channel, you'll get loads more videos in the coming weeks. So take care, see you soon.
Bye.